Before the rise of cities or written words, ancient hands shaped the very ground beneath Ohio, carving symbols so vast they could only be seen from the heavens. Across the Ohio Valley, circles, squares, and serpentine mounds stretch across the land, a silent code of soil and time. To walk these mounds is to stand inside an ancient blueprint where mathematics, ritual, and astronomy converge. Centuries of rain and root could not erase the message left here, geometry eternal, aligned with the rhythm of the sky. When viewed from above, their precision astonishes, circles pointing to the solstice, mounds echoing the moon's long path. Built without metal or modern tools, yet aligned with cosmic order, the earth itself was their compass. Each curve and angle whispers a forgotten purpose, a code woven between earth and eternity. And though the builders' names are lost, their vision endures, vast, precise, and eternal, written in the language of the land. By night, these mounds awaken. Their shapes mirror the heavens, as if drawn by those who read the stars. Each curve and ridge was placed with intent, aligned to sunsets, solstices, and lunar paths only the patient skywatcher could know. Perhaps these mounds were more than observatories. They were theaters of light and shadow, where ritual met the stars. Across continents, civilizations mirrored the sky. But here in Ohio, the language of the cosmos was written in soil. Their builders tracked the moon's 18-year rhythm, a feat of patience and precision unmatched for centuries. The serpent mound's gaze meets the dying sun, a union of earth and sky in perfect silence. What knowledge did these builders hold to shape the ground with the precision of celestial engineers? They were not just builders, they were architects of the sky, etching eternity into the heart of America. They worked with bare hands, shaping earth and spirit into forms that defied time. Beneath the shadow of the mounds, life pulsed, families, hunters, and storytellers, bound by the rhythm of the land. At night, the sacred fire burned, a bridge between the living and the ancestors who shaped the world beneath them. Within these mounds lie not kings, but keepers, guardians of memory, their stories sealed in clay and bone. Their pottery spoke in patterns, spirals, suns, and serpents, whispering a language now lost to wind. Among them walked healers and dreamers, those who saw the stars not as distant, but divine. Then, one day, they were gone. The fires cold, the fields silent, their purpose left in mystery. Yet beneath every mound, their legacy breathes, the pulse of a civilization that never truly vanished. Across the Ohio plains, ancient architects carved precision into the soil, geometry that still defies reason. Their mounds align not to land or river, but to the sky itself, tracing paths of the sun and moon. The great serpent, coiled in silence for 1,000 years, rises each solstice to greet the dawn. Each angle, each curve, spoke a cosmic language, one understood only when light met shadow. Some were aligned to the moon's 18.6-year cycle, an astronomical feat achieved without metal or modern tools. They mapped the heavens through mathematics and faith, measuring the infinite with hands of clay. When the sun touched the horizon, it ignited their design, proof that the ancients spoke to the stars. And though their message is half buried and half forgotten, its echo still hums through the soil, a whisper to eternity. For centuries, their purpose was forgotten until new eyes began to see what the ancients had written in the earth. Today, scientists and descendants walk side by side, uncovering not just artifacts, but identity. Beneath the soil, technology uncovers what the centuries buried, the unseen blueprints of belief. For those who descend from the builders, these are not ruins. They are sacred places where the sky still listens. Even now, the heavens move in harmony with their design, a cosmic memory etched in time. Each generation becomes a guardian, preserving what remains of the world's first astronomers. When the stars rise, their pattern returns, as if the sky itself remembers who built these places. From the soil to the stars, their message endures, not forgotten, only waiting for us to listen again. Across these fields of Ohio, the past still breathes. The builders are gone, but their message remains, carved in silence, written in the soil, and aligned with the stars. We may never know every reason, every symbol, every prayer whispered into these mounds, but their echoes remind us that America's first engineers weren't forgotten, only waiting for us to remember. This is forgotten civilization. If you believe the past still speaks, help us uncover it, one mystery at a time.